You hungry? Let's make a snack. I've got 3 ears of corn. Let's cut the corn off the cob. Now we add all the corn to the food processor. Along with the corn, I've got 4 cloves of garlic. A little bit of half and half, and let's give this a blend. I got my everyday skillet nice and warm. I'm gonna add some olive oil, and let's throw in some leeks. All right, let's hit that with just a little bit of kosher salt and a little bit of black pepper. All right, and then we'll saute those until those are translucent. I got a pound of jumbo shrimp. Let's season it with all these seasonings. Kosher salt. All right, then a little pinch of black pepper, a little pinch of garlic powder, a little pinch of onion powder, a little pinch of dried fennel, and lastly, a little pinch of Cajun seasoning. All right, a little bit of buttermilk from somebody's farm, and we give that a good mix. And I'm throwing the shrimp right into this floured mixture. And let's get this shrimp all fried up. All right, let's take a look at how beautiful this fried shrimp is. It is gorgeous. All right, so let's get that drained. Now that my leeks have started to cook through and turning translucent, let's add in that creamed corn and that garlic. All right, let's give that a good mix. And we'll let that heat all the way through before we hit it with a little chicken bouillon. All right, my cream corn pasta is looking good. Let me add in a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And let's add in some cooked linguine. All right, we'll give this a toss. Make sure we get all that pasta, all that corn, all through there. Now all you gotta do is bow your head and say grace. Grace. Yo. Run and make this. Okay? Run and